Malaking dagok para sa mga residente ang malaimpyernong wildfire sa Los Angeles at problema pa rin ang mga nakawan sa lungsod. Babala ng mga otoridad, maaaring lumala pa ang sitwasyon. Yan ang agenda report ni Eugene Adalia.
Isa si Michael Soto sa mga pinalad sa Altadena. Ligtas ang kanyang bahay sa mga wildfire na nagliliyab pa rin sa LA. Pero di kasing palad ang kanyang mga kapitbahay.
My whole block is gone. Just I'm gonna have to walk up and down and explain to my kids, what happened and how everyone just lost everything. It's gonna be a big change from seeing your street, your residential street. Now it's just gone.
Problema rin ni Soto at ng kanyang mga kapitbahay ang looting.
Throughout the night, we're all waking up, making sure no one's that not supposed to be here is walking around. The cops are doing the best they can, but at the end, we have to protect our own.
Ang Hollywood cinematographer naman na si Bojan Butzelli, pamilyar na pamilyar ang mga eksena ng trahedya.
3 nights ago, it was like in a movie. Police cars are going through with the speakers and sirens and telling us you have to leave. Mandatory evacuation is right now, and then you kind of obviously have to do that, and then next step is to pack, and then decision of making you come into your place and what do you take, what you don't take, because obviously at that point you have to think you're not going to see whatever you leave behind, you're never going to see again.
Mag-iisang linggo na mula nang sumiklab ang 6 na wildfire, 3 pa lang ang contained ayon sa mga otoridad. Ang pinaghahandaan nila ngayon ang dry Santa Ana winds na maaaring magpalakas ulit ng mga sunog.
The National Weather Service is predicting close to hurricane force level winds, and so we're making urgent preparations. My top priority and the priority of everyone else is to do everything we can to protect lives.
Severe fire weather conditions will continue through Wednesday. Please be assured that all fire departments and all law enforcement agencies in the area will be prepared.
Ang LA wildfires ang pinakamalala sa kasaysayan ng Estados Unidos. Higit 20 na ang kumpirmadong patay. Libo-libong mga bahay at gusali ang nasira o naabo. Higit 100,000 ang nagsilikas.
It's going to cost tens of billions of dollars to get Los Angeles back to where it was. So we're going to need Congress to step up to provide funding to get this done. And we're going to get that done, God willing.
Makakatanggap ng tig $770 sa mga biktima ng kalamidad ayon kay US President Joe Biden. May mensahe rin siya sa mga taga Los Angeles.
And I want you to know, and I mean this, I want you to know we have no higher priority than the safety of you folks in Los Angeles. We're going to keep doing everything possible to help you get through this.
Para sa Agenda, Eugene Adalia, Billionaire News Channel.